Hi, welcome to the BMAPS Coordinator video tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to upload a preview box, take proceeds in books, sell and redeem gift certificates, and manage restocks. First, we'll start with how to upload a preview box. To upload a preview box, click the Upload Preview Box button located in the BMAPS dashboard. Once you reach the page, you can press Print Preview Box to view and print your book list. Let's talk about how to take proceeds in books. Once you've scanned or input your books in the Process Sales section, you can click the Payment button to reach the payment page. On the payment page, click the button Proceeds in Books located here, and you'll be able to submit for proceeds in books. How to create a teacher wish list. To create a teacher wish list, access the Wishlist drop-down and click the option labeled Teacher Wish List. This will direct you towards this page. On this page, you can insert your items using the ISBN number box or the search by title/author box. After you've inputted all your items, click Submit to finalize the wish list. How to create a student wish list or order form. You can create your student wish list the same way you create your teacher wish list by using this page here. In this page, you can use the ISBN number box or the search by title or author box to input all items. After items have been inputted, you can press Submit and print the order form to provide the child with a list of all their desired items. How to sell and redeem gift certificates. Please note that schools can sell gift certificates of values of 5, 10, 20, 30, or 50. In order to be utilized, Bookworm must be notified in advance. That way gift receipts can be added to the existing inventory of the book fair. First, to add a gift certificate to a sale, add the certificate by clicking the Add Gift Certificate button located here. After the sale's been processed, you can print the certificate by clicking Print Certificate or by accessing it on the main screen with the link located in the side menu. There will be an invoice which displays a printer icon, which you can also additionally use to print the certificate. Now, in order to redeem a certificate as a payment option, this menu will show up. It's important to pick the type of certificate before inputting the certificate number and amount. That way the information will be correctly processed. You can do so by checking the specific type of certificate here, and then inputting the various information here. How to manage restocks. In the BMAPS dashboard, access the drop-down labeled Restocks. Here you'll find 4 options: Create Restock, Quick Restock, Restock Report, and Restock Sent/Received. Use the Create Restock option to create a restock request and send it to Bookworm. Use the Quick Restock option to create a limited restock request of 10 items or less. Use the Restock Report option to view how many restocks were sent and the various title details. And finally, use the Restock Sent/Received option to see the titles requested and how many were fulfilled by Bookworm. Now to create your restock, use the option labeled Create Restock. This will allow you to sort by ISBN, title, or category. On this page, you can use the Restock column to adjust your quantity during restock, and the Go to Bottom button to access the area of the page where you can submit your restock request. Once you're at the bottom of the page, you can use the option Generate and Send Email located here. This will allow you to submit your restock request. Now, if you're looking to generate a quick restock request, which is an order with 10 items or less, use the Quick Restock option. This will direct you towards this page. In this page, you can use the ISBN number box located here or the search by title or author box located here to input your items and click Submit. This will submit your restock request automatically. To receive a restock, you can do so by using the Restock Notifications dashboard located on the home page of BMAPS. Now, to retrieve your restock report, you can use the option labeled Restock Report under the Restock dropdown. This will allow you to access this page, in which you can click the button labeled Report in Excel to generate your restock report. That concludes our video on how to use BMAPS. For more information, check out our BMAPS user manual or contact Bookworm Central directly. Thank you and have a lovely book fair.